OpenAI recently launched Canvas, where you not just chat but actually work with ChatGPT. I can't wait to show you. It's truly transformational. So let's get started. Head over to ChatGPT and on this modern menu, just select GPT-4o with Canvas and you're good to go. So I'm going to generate a marketing email for my ChatGPT courses. You will notice that it opens up the new Canvas layout where on your left you have the chat window where you can ask questions, view activities, and on the right you have the canvas where you can view the output, interact, and edit just like this. There are a bunch of editing shortcuts which are available on the bottom right corner. Let's start with adjusting the length. So here I'm going to increase the length to be a little longer, and it's going to increase the length of my email without any effort right there. Very intuitive. This is one of my favorite features on Canvas. You can highlight any section and ask ChatGPT to expand or condense or make any modification. This used to be a problem in the classic long form chat where you ask it to modify any response. While it will try to fix one thing, it will break something else. You can also adjust the reading level from kindergarten to graduate. I'm going to keep it at high school, and it's pretty straightforward. Once you're done with your editing, you can ask it to suggest edits. So it will come up with different suggestions on how you can improve. I'm going to pick one of them and just apply it. And it's funny that sometimes it will critique its own response which it has previously generated, but nonetheless it works pretty great. But wait, what did it change? Thankfully you can see all your changes by clicking on this show changes, and that's so wonderful. You can also add emojis to your work, but to me it has been implemented very poorly. Look, it has turned this document into an emoji garden. Not impressed. So I'm going to discard this emoji change using this previous change button on the top, and such a great feature to have. Now let's add the final polish to the document, and look how it has formatted all these different bullet points. Very nice. And once you're done, just use the copy icon on the top to copy your work.